Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all a very simple makeup look, which is going to be a very less makeup look. So you won't be needing a lot of product or a lot of products. I think this is a very popular Indian look. If you're wearing a kurti, if you are just trying to keep it very simple and cash, you can do this look. Also, I know a lot of celebrities do this. A prominent person in my head who I think I have seen in this look is Kareena Kapoor. I believe she does this look quite a bit. Also, I have seen many TV actresses do this look. Daily soap actresses, I know they do this look as well. So it's a very simple look, a very everyday look. Even if you have like an online Zoom meeting or whatever, or you're just having a video call and you want to look thoda more presentable in the video call, or maybe less tired or less sick, it's a very simple and a very easy go to look. So I have done my skincare. You can see my skincare my other video. I'll try to leave a link in the description box below of those videos in case you want to go check that out, and or I'll leave it in the cards. I'll make sure I link it somewhere somehow in this video. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I have already done my skincare, my base is done. So when you are doing any eye makeup look, you want to try and make sure that you are concealing your under eyes. Otherwise, the attention goes from your eye to your under eyes. It's just natural. It's just how we humans are made. So if you want your eye makeup to look more highlighted, always conceal your under eyes. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले I will just conceal my under eyes. The way I conceal my under eyes has been the same. I add some orange color corrector. Okay, I'm adding some orange color corrector, and just with my finger I'll blend it out. Again, this look is a very quick makeup look, which is I'm just using my finger. Okay, the thing is, you don't need a lot of orange on the outer corners, so don't do what I just did. Make sure the orange color is concentrated on the insides of your eye, more so than this part, which I have done. Don't do that. Then go in with your concealer and add your concealer more concentrated on the inner corners. And then a little bit over here. It doesn't look little bit, but it really is little bit. Concealer. Just take ekdam thodu sa of this concealer and add that on your eyelid, or whatever is left on your finger, you can just use wohi for your eyelids and just add some. We are gonna get to the fun part in just a bit. So first just set your under eye. Also powder your eyelid thoda sa. Now once that is done, you take any kajal pencil. I am taking this Lakme kajal pencil. It's very easily available in the markets. And now what you gotta do is you have to add a liner on your eyelid. Okay, now this liner does not have to be very perfect, just roughly make a liner. As you can see, mine isn't perfect either. That's completely okay because we are going to smudge it out anyways. In this makeup look, you do not want a liner which does not smudge, because if it does not smudge, you can't do this look. So, which is why you need kajal only. Do not use a very good quality liner because they are not going to smudge, okay? So keep that in mind. Use even Himalaya ka kajal ka, that stick which comes, or anything which is kajal which does smudge. That is exactly what you need for this makeup look. So a kajal which will smudge. Don't use a smudge proof kajal because it will not smudge. Now we are just gonna smudge the kajal. You can do that with your fingers also. Personally, it doesn't work out with me. So which is why I am using this brush. Okay, what you have to do is, again, stretch your eye. And just smudge the kajal like that. Just go over the kajal again and again till it smudges. Let's do the same thing on this eye as well. Again, just stretch it and smudge the kajal out. Now once you have reached this stage, just use your finger and remove the excess kajal from the inner corner. Thoda sa niklega over here as well. Jitna bhi whatever is in the inner corner, you don't want that. So just with your fingers remove that, and now use your fingers to just spread out your kajal just like that. As you saw, I just used my fingers to spread out the kajal to give it a more blended effect. The reason I like to use a brush first is because the concentration of the kajal really reduces, and then uske baad you can just use your finger and spread the kajal out. तो अभी ये होने के बाद you want to use a good liner or the same kajal, anything is okay अभी, and make a very patla line. Okay, now you want to make sure that you're properly looking in the mirror and everything, and make a very patla line. I will quickly curl my eyelashes and add some mascara. Okay, I added the mascara, and now I will add the slightest bit of foundation. Now I am using the Superstay foundation, but you all can use a very light to medium coverage foundation as well. Honestly, if you all want to skip the foundation totally, even that is completely fine. You all can, because yeah, really the foundation you all can skip out on it, but I am going thoda all the way for the video. If you are using, or if you're applying this makeup for a Zoom call or like a very day-to-day basis, please skip the foundation. And if you are going out in the summer times, trust me, don't conceal, don't apply foundations. The look will still look good. Just if you are not applying foundation, you want to make sure that you are applying some powder on your eye. Just some setting powder, or even thoda sa slightest bit of compact powder also will be fine, just so that the kajal does not smudge anymore. Just make, because if you are just doing your skincare and then doing the makeup look, you want to make sure that your eye makeup is nicely powdered so it doesn't like come off. Honestly, coming off is not the problem. The problem is you don't want like two panda eyes, like you don't want the whole thing to become black na. So इसीलिए I'm saying कि make sure कि you apply powder. And uske baad add a brown lipstick, because if you have kajal and if you have a black liner, I personally think a brown lipstick looks very pretty. So I'm using this one from Lakme Absolute in the shade 302 Soft Nude. And we are done with the look. It's a very Indian look, I personally feel, and if you are wearing like kurti, like a white chicken kurti or something like that, or even a black kurti or whatever, it will look very pretty on you. So, and it's a very simple look. You just need kajal, honestly. Even if you don't have anything else, just apply some kajal, some mascara, and you're good to go, and some lipstick. So yeah, that is the look. I hope you all liked it and you all will try it out. If you do, please let me know. Let me know on Instagram if you do try the look out. Send me pictures or whatever. I'd love to know. So that is it for the look, and that is it for the video too. So I will see you tomorrow in my next video, but leave some suggestions down, guys. Making videos every day is not easy, and I'm constantly thinking of ideas and video ideas and whatnot. So let me know in the comments below if you have any video idea or anything that you want to know or you want to see me talk about or do. Also, let me know if you all would want to watch vlogs, like what I do the whole day or whatever. Or maybe not the whole day, but would you be interested in vlogs? Let me know that also in the comments below. And with that, I am going to have to say bye-bye to you all. I will see you all in the next video.